What if your app could talk to your users in a natural human voice and in multiple languages? And what if it could listen and understand everything they say in real time? It sounds almost like science fiction, but we can do this today, all with the Gemini APIs and AI Studio. Creating audio content can sometimes be slow. Voiceovers are expensive, and manually transcribing and analyzing customer calls or sales meetings, nobody has time for that. You might be sitting on a gold mine of voice data and just not be using it. So let's put our data to work. Over here in AI Studio, you can access Gemini's brand new models. First, we're going to be looking at Gemini's new text-to-speech API. I'll just paste in a blog post excerpt, choose one of these hyper-realistic voices that we see here on the right-hand pane, and instantly we have an audio version.
By analysing lane placement with speed analysis and applying a mixture of experts' approach to trip classification, we developed a powerful method to address the scarcity of labelled HOV data.
We can also specify specific languages in the system instructions, as well as styles, tones, accents, and even explicit commands like wait 5 seconds and then say. But it also works in reverse. I'll upload an audio file of a mock customer support call. Gemini not only gives me a transcript with timestamps, but I can also ask for it to summarize the customer's problem and sentiment. Boom, instant sentiment analysis, all via natural language. And once you're done experimenting, just click the Get SDK Code button to see how you might implement what you just did in AI Studio in your own project. Just think of the possibilities. You can turn your articles into a podcast, even with multiple speakers. Build an accessible app for visually impaired users, automatically transcribe, summarize, translate, and analyze every sales call to find out what makes customers buy. So give your startup a voice. Go to AI Studio, try the speech models, and see what you can build. Link is in the description, and subscribe for more.